Hey everybody, Mike here. I need to install new laterals for my septic system, and the county inspector said I need to lower my water table so that the laterals can perform correctly. So in this video, I've rented a trencher attachment, and today I'm installing a curtain drain, or as some people call it, a French drain, around my house to drain the downspouts and throughout the pending lateral field in the front yard so that the laterals will perform properly. I really couldn't be happier with how well the trencher performed and how easy it was to knock this job out with my Toolcat.